Kim Chiu ibinahagi ang bagong campaign at pag-drive-thru sa Chowking. Matapos mag-showtime kanina ay masaya nga na ibinahagi ni Kim Chiu ang naging pag-drive-thru nito sa Chowking at kanyang bagong campaign bilang endorser kung saan ay ibinida din nito ang bagong product ng Chowking na beef chow pan. Ayon sa mga fans, ay mapapabili sila nito dahil si Kim ang endorser.
It's time for Chowking Beef Chow Fan. Can't ignore destiny. Let's go.
One beef chow fan, please. Proceed to next window. Hello. Thank you. Bye.
This is beef. New beefed up beef chow fan. Bigger beef bits, savory umami richness in every bite. That savory aroma, I'm not even mad about the traffic anymore. Beefy wok sarap. This combo is definitely undefeated. Trust me. Ay, alam mo, dapat i-beef chow fan mo na rin yan. Let's go! Chowking time!
All busog and ready to go.
Beef beef! Chowking beef chow fan.
Alakpakan